If you're broke, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you're spending like a rich person without the bank account to back it up. Let's fix that right now. If you're
Meet Daniel the Doom Spender and Maya the Money Whiz. I just had to buy that new gadget.
Daniel, that's dooming your savings. Let's make a plan. With Maya, you'll be a money whiz too.
Look, I'm not here to shame you. I'm here to save you. Daniel, he buys 5-pound lattes every morning. Maya, she makes her own coffee. Look, and invest the difference. In 6 months, Daniel has caffeine breath and zero savings. Maya has 300 pounds in her emergency empire fund. You think this is about coffee? Nah, it's about choices. And today, we're exposing the 10 sneaky money traps that keep people stuck. And yes, we're naming names. No fluff, no fake positivity, just real talk. Did you notice their wealth mindset? Daniel says, I worked hard, I deserve that new phone. Maya says, I worked hard, I deserve not to be broke next month. That deserve feeling? It's emotional spending. And it's the fastest way to stay poor. Your future self doesn't care if you deserved it. They care if you can pay rent. If you're serious about building wealth from scratch, hit that like button right now and subscribe to Wealth Empire TV. Your next money move starts here. Subscriptions are silent killers. Set a reminder 30 days to kill one useless subscription. Start with the one you forgot you had. Do you want more no-money investing strategies that actually work? Smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a wealth building tip. Daniel buys pre-cut veggies, ready meals and snack packs. Pays 3x more. Maya shops with a list, buys whole foods, cooks in bulk, saves £80 a week.
Maya, what's the secret?
Shop well, live well, save your money.
Ah, I see now.
Exactly. Every penny counts.
You're not buying food, you're buying convenience. Food waste equals money waste, and convenience, that's a luxury tax you can't afford. Eat like you're building an empire, not like you're ordering Uber Eats at 2 a.m. Someday does not equal today. Today equals your only chance. I'll start saving when I get a raise. Maya says, I started saving when I got my first paycheck, even if it was 20 pounds.
My dream is to travel and spend a month in a beach house.
Mine is what I am doing now, putting £5 a week into a high-yield savings account, growing to £260 a year.
Someday is a myth. Wealth is built in small, consistent actions. Start with £1, seriously. Put it in a jar, label it Empire Seed. Watch it grow. Drop a money bag emoji in the comments if this video just gave you a next investment idea, and share it with one friend who needs to hear this. Daniel goes out every Friday because everyone's doing it. Maya says no 3 times a month. Saves £60. Invests it. Daniel goes out.
10-pound cocktails draining my account.
At home, I'm watching my wealth grow. Nightlife's fun, but my wallet's low.
Smart choices now, your future, don't let it go.
Social pressure is a stealthy wealth killer. Say no more, say yes to your future. Real friends won't judge you for skipping drinks. Fake ones will, and you don't need them. Daniel doesn't track spending. I'll figure it out later. Maya uses a free app, knows exactly where every penny goes. Spends 70%, saves 20%, invests 10%. Daniel. Budgeting isn't restrictive, it's empowering. You're not limiting yourself. You're directing your money to build your empire. Daniel leases a shiny car, pays £300 a month. Aya drives a 5-year-old Honda, pays $50 a month, puts £250 into index funds. Daniel's car is valued at £10,000 to £15,000 in 1 year, or Maya's car is valued at £4,000, it is still running. She invested £3,000 in stocks. A car is a liability. An investment is an asset. Choose wisely. Drive what gets you there, not what impresses strangers at traffic lights. Daniel thinks, I need £1,000 to invest. Maya starts with £5, uses fractional shares, Apple, Google, Amazon, $1 at a time.
Robinhood has a 100 penum. That's a bit high for me.
I just bought 0.01 shares of Tesla for £5, and look, the graph shows growth over 6 months.
Wow, that's amazing.
You don't need a fortune to start. You need discipline and a smartphone. The stock market doesn't care how much you have, only that you show up. Building an empire doesn't happen by accident. If you learned something valuable today, like this video and subscribe to join the Wealth Empire TV family. Daniel ignores his £2,000 credit card debt. Maya attacks it, minimum, pays $200 a month, then invests the same amount. Daniel accruing to Daniel's debt is £200 per year. On the contrast, Maya's debt is paid off. She's now wasting £100 for the month and she's closer to it. Always remember and never forget that debt is the enemy of empire. Attack it like it's stealing from your future. Pay it off. Then redirect that cash to build your wealth. Daniel says, I'm too busy to learn about money. Amaya spends 15 minutes a day learning. She reads articles, watches Wealth Empire TV, grows her net worth.
Ugh, another cat video, swipe.
Fascinating strategy on Wealth Empire TV. This one's funny though. Noting this down for later.
You have time. You're just choosing to waste it. Invest 15 minutes a day in your financial education and watch your life change. You don't need permission to be wealthy. You don't need a degree. You don't need luck. You just need to stop wasting money and start investing in yourself.
No, my account is empty.
I got my first dividend check. This can't be happening.
Daniel's story ends with regret. As for Maya's story, she's building one smart financial choice at a time. Daniel's story about being rich. It's about being free. Free from debt, free from stress, free to live the life you want. Share this video with someone who is struggling financially. Your share could change their financial future. Then subscribe for more game-changing strategies. Don't just watch, take action. Like this if you're committed to financial freedom. Share it to spread the knowledge and subscribe to stay ahead in the money game. Comment Wealth of Empire if you're in, like to show support, share to help others rise, and subscribe so we can grow this community into an unstoppable force. Comment Wealth. You've got the tools. Now go break the system and build your empire. I'll be here next week with another no BS. No fluff, no excuses wealth hack. Until then, stop wasting money. Start building empires. Welcome to Wealth Empire TV 101. Subscribe for weekly wealth upgrades.